Okay, so what is a property of a transition metal but not a group 1 metal? Now, again, core knowledge, transition metals are coloured compounds, where group 1 are white, and transition metals have a higher melting point. So if we know that core knowledge, the only one that matches sensible is option B. We've then got copper is a transition metal, reacts with copper sulfate to form the solution. Magnesium sulfate is colourless. Describe two changes. So if we just, let's just write this out. That's what we've got taking place. So this is colourless. Now hopefully we're starting to remember that this is a blue coloured solution. So what we'd see first of all is the blue coloured solution would start to fade because we're starting to make this colourless solution instead. And the other thing we'd see, this is a silver coloured metal, but this here is a red brown metal, and that would start to form. So we'd get this red brown solid starting to form. Okay, right. Now I've got a little bit of knowledge on rusting. So it says, give name for substances need to rust. Remember that to rust we need water. We've got water there, but we also need oxygen present to make things rust. The rate of rusting can increase using seawater. Describe an experiment to compare how much an iron nail rusts in seawater when compared to just regular water. So what you would do here is you would get two nails, and one is placed in a test tube of seawater. So you put one of them inside a test tube of seawater and the other in water, so a test tube of water. Okay, you would then leave the test tubes for a few days. When we did it in class, we actually left them for a whole week. And then what you would do is you would observe the nails after this period of time. And you're looking for any signs of rusting. Observe nails after time, and we'll put there compare appearance, because one of them will have rusted far more quickly. Okay. So in this question here, we're looking at the ability to protect iron by galvanizing it with zinc. And we've got this bucket, there's the blue bit, and it's covered in zinc, and we want to get a layer of zinc that is 200 grams per meter squared. So best way to do this is, if we want to have 200 grams in a meter squared, the bucket isn't a meter squared in size, it's 0.68, so I'm going to call this x. So to find the value for x, that's going to be 0.68 times by 200, and when you do that, that gives you an answer on your calculator of 136 grams is required.